Hey everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to create a beautiful diamond pattern glass completely from scratch right inside Blender. It's a simple and fun project perfect for beginners, so let's jump right in. First, I'll turn on the screencast key so you can easily follow along with every shortcut I use. Now press Shift A and edit render. Switch to the front view by pressing numpad 1, then press G and Z to move it slightly upward. Next, press Tab to go into edit mode. In face selection mode, select the top face of the cylinder, press X and delete it. It's look like a glass now. Switch to edge selection mode and press Ctrl R to add some loop cut. A small panel appears at the bottom left. I'll set number of cut to 8 because I want a square shaped face. Press 1 again for front view, enable X-ray mode and switch to face selection mode. Select the middle section of the glass, leave out the top and bottom row. Right click and choose poke faces. Then press Alt J to convert those triangle into quad. Exit X-ray mode. Now press I twice to insert the select face slightly inward. Hold Shift plus Alt and click the top row of face to select the entire ring. Do the same for the bottom. Now press Alt plus E, choose extrude face along normals and move your mouse slightly outward. This gives us a beautiful diamond pattern on the surface. Deselect the top and bottom face row, just hold Shift Alt and click any face corner. At the top, open the transform pivot point and choose individual origins. Press S and scale the selected face slightly inward. Switch to edge selection mode, Alt click the top inner edge, then press E and S to extrude and scale inward. This gives our glass thickness. Press numpad 1 for front view and enable X-ray mode again to see inside clearly. Press E and extrude downward, keeping it slightly above the bottom. Then press E, S and G. Scale inward and move it down slightly. Repeat the step one more time. And finally press Ctrl F grid fill to close the bottom nicely. Exit edit mode and our shape already look great. To soften the sharp corner, right click and choose shade auto smooth. At the top of the glass, you will notice 3 edge loops. Alt click the middle one, press G and drag it slightly upward. Then press Ctrl plus B to bevel. I'll set 3 segments. Select the other 2 top edges and the bottom edges. Press Ctrl plus B again and give them a softer bevel. This time 4 segment. Back to object mode and our diamond pattern glass model is ready. Let's quickly create a clean background. Press Shift A, Mesh, Plane and press S to scale it up. Go into edit mode, switch to edge selection mode and select the back edge. Press E and extrude it upward along the Z axis. This will form our backdrop wall. Now select the corner edge, press Ctrl plus B and use your scroll wheel to add segment for a smooth curve. Exit edit mode, right click and choose shade auto smooth. Perfect. Now our mini studio setup is done. Open the render properties tab, set the render engine to cycle and switch device to GPU if you have one. In viewport sample, set it to 100 and enable denoising for cleaner previews. Now press Shift A camera with the camera selected press shift plus backtick to enter fly mode. Backtick is above tab button and you can use it just like video games. Use WASD, Q and E button to adjust your view and frame the glass nicely in the center. Let's add a soft light. Press Shift A, Light, Area Light. Press G and Z to move it upward, S to scale, and G and X to slide it slightly to the side. Press R and Y to rotate it toward the glass. Go to the world properties and set strength to 0. We only want the area light to illuminate our scene. Now switch to render view. It will look dark at first, maybe just a faint outline. Select the area light, go to the light properties and set power to 500. If the corner of the frame look too dark, rotate the light slightly or move it back. I'll increase the power to 700. It look better. Select the plane, open material properties, click new and set the base color to soft gray. Reduce roughness to 0 for a reflective surface. Now select the glass, click new and under surface choose Glass BSDF. Give it a Tiffany blue tint and lower the roughness slightly for a clear look. You can copy my value if you like. Let's lighten the plane. Gray color is a bit to balance the scene. Select the area light again and increase power to 2000 for brighter reflection. Move it slightly higher on the Z-axis, rotate a bit and check how the highlight fall on the glass. Looks beautiful. Go to the render properties, set max sample to 2000. Since this is a single object, it won't be too heavy for your PC. Select the camera, open camera properties, enable depth of field, click the focus object picker and select the glass. Set f-stop to around 1 for a nice blurred background. Before rendering, press Ctrl B and draw a box around your camera frame to define the render region. Finally, in color management, change the look to medium high contrast. You can use high contrast, but medium gives a softer cinematic result. Now we are ready to render. Go to the top menu and click render. Render image. Depending on your PC speed, it should finish in few minutes. And there we go. Your diamond pattern glass is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and were able to follow along easily. If this tutorial helped you, please like, share and subscribe. It really motivates me to make more content like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next Blender tutorial. Take care and happy blending.